For lesson 9.3, we are using non-standard units, meaning the squares that you can see on the homework page. We're using a square instead of such things as an inch, centimeter. Those would be our standard measurements to be able to measure length of different objects. Now, I have attached with the students I sent home with them a square that they can use just like in class. It's 1 inch by 1 inch square. If they happen to have lost it, just cut out a square that's 1 inch by 1 inch that they can use. Also, some of these objects might not be the same size as other students at home. A book or your marker might be different than somebody else's. That's okay. Whatever they measure is great. It's okay that the answers will vary for different students. So you're just going to find these real objects. Don't use the pictures, they're too small. Find the real objects and then use a square, the 1 inch square, to be able to measure. Talk about with your child. The hardest thing for the students to remember is if they're measuring a book, such as the first one, they don't want to start the square in the middle. We want to make sure that we're always starting our measurement on one side of the book and then moving it over as we count how many. So we would say that is 4 squares, about 4 squares. It's an estimate. You're probably not going to find any that are exactly perfect. So just kind of use your measurement. Is it closer to 3 squares or closer to 4 squares, and so on. So you're going to do that with a marker, box of crayons. If you don't have a box of crayons, improvise. Using something else is great. An eraser, if you don't have one, use something about the same size. I'm perfectly fine with that. Then the last one asks you to measure a desk. You probably don't have a student desk at home, so just measure maybe a small table, like a living room table or something would be just fine with me. On the back side of the homework, number 1 says, using your square, Kevin measures the ribbon. So this one you are going to measure the ribbon on the paper using your 1 inch square about how long is the ribbon. Then the spiral review at the bottom. Number 2 is a story problem. I have 27 red flowers and 19 white flowers. How many flowers do I have? We know that this is an addition problem because we have 2 parts. 27 is a part, 19 is a part. This is hard for students. They see the number 27 and where it is a greater number, larger than 19, they automatically think it's the whole. It's not, it's a part. So for addition, we know 27 a part plus a part would give us a whole. Now when we're solving this, we're doing our regrouping. We start with our ones always. We say 9 plus 7. Well, if we make a 10, that would be 10 plus 6 is 16. So we have 6 ones, but then we're going to carry or regroup our 10 over. 2 plus 1 would give you 4. So our answer would be 46. Use the word regroup and make sure they're adding that extra one. Don't let them forget to draw that in. Then number 3 is using our less than vocabulary word. Which number is less than 51? And that would be 50.